Hi, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Fatin Nabiha binti Alias. I'm from group 17 of LSB 401 General English. I love reading and it is my hobby. I love the books, I love how it is slow, I love how the thickness of it, I love the page of it, I love the smell, and especially if I go to any bookstore or library, I love the smell of the old and also new books. So basically I just love everything about books and also reading it. So here I am. I would like to share with you guys, if any of you is actually just want to start reading as a hobby or just want to fill your leisure time, I would like to share with you guys how we want to choose or buy or start reading. So let's go. Right, first of all is know your favorite. Knowing genre is really important in choosing books or you want to start reading. But if you just start reading and you don't know any genre, then it is okay. Just discover first what kind of reading materials that you like and also the purposes of your reading. The second is determine what you want. Determine what you want is actually related to the first step, which is actually we know our favorites, which is we know our purposes of reading. So by knowing your purposes is actually really important. So when you have a purpose, for example, that you might want to make reading as your hobby, if you think you are able to comprehend the longer or shorter text of books that you want to read, then try to consider maybe buy one book only, or maybe if you love a series book, buy all serial books. Like myself, I really love serial books, so I bought all 5 in one time. The third one, the most thing to need to be considered is about budget. I will not deny that actually most of the books that sold in any bookstore or any online bookstore really cost as much, especially international books. So by having a specific budget to your own books that you want to buy or you want to read, then you need to consider a lot of things and also takes our time. Do not really rush to buy it, except if you are silver spoon. When you have money and you think that you are able to buy the books that you want, then just go for it. You don't need to worry. Secondly, if you think that you might need some time to buy the books, just start saving your money. Next one, do some research on the author and also the books that you might have liked. We are in 21st century. It will be helpful if you just follow any social media platform of the author, and also the there is a lot of fan base as well for some especially for the serial books. By following the social media, we could get the tidbit, like I said just now, the tidbit of the books that are gonna to be released, and some tidbits of the books that have been released but still we doesn't buy it. Or maybe you can research of their books and read their books, because sometimes they are not newbie author, they have a lot of books, so you can discover their books a lot from any publishers or online shops in social media platform and also online shopping platform. Reading reviews from the other readers and also the followers of the author of the books is actually helpful for us to know a bit about the books. Either they like it or they hate it, or they are not satisfied with the storyline. There is a bad review and also there is good review, and then we as human that have this tendency to negative points more than the good points, and then we as the reader that read the reviews shouldn't really care much about bad reviews, except if it really helpful for you guys, then you go for it. You can compare and contrast between the good reviews and bad reviews. Since we are in pandemic right now, everything we do is online, and even shopping also we did it online platform. So this also goes as well for the books, because we couldn't visit any bookstore or library. So for me, I'm one of those that doesn't really likes to just research on the online. I want to look at the physical book. I want to feel how the books is. I want to look how the books looks like. And also, actually, I want to buy books and we want to start reading, but we don't have any specific book that we would like to buy. So going to bookstore or library is really helpful for us to find any books. If there is book that you randomly pick, it's actually better and also interesting, because we are never expected that book is actually good, and sometimes it will, there's possibility as well that the books might be not good. Though it's not my favorite, but maybe it will useful for us for anything like life experience, or maybe for our academy, or also in life as well. If you don't have any particular books that you have in mind, just go to bookstore or libraries. Tips that I always use when I choosing or buying any books, I spend myself in bookstore or library by reading the first or the last chapter, but mostly I will read the first chapter or prologue of the book if it is unsealed. But if it is sealed, please do not open the seal except they really give you to unseal it. It is because for me, I really doesn't like the summary or description of the book at the back of the books. Some of the book really helpful. For example, most of the love novel. So by reading the first chapter, it's actually giving me more details overview to see what kind of story will it be, what kind of themes or settings that they use, and also characters that have in that, and also how the characteristic of the characters itself. So it's really helpful. Thus, cover page of the books is really important. So the answer for this question is, I will say for me myself, cover books is important for me because sometimes they really helpful in giving in gaining interest of the readers. The second one is sometimes it related to the books, which is the characters itself. Like I see this Hilal Ashraf books. He shows that this is the hero. The hero is this one. This is his suit that they imagine. So actually, this is really helpful for us because we know how the characters looks like actually, and that goes with Harry Potter books because it's really interesting and have meaning behind the cover page itself. So it depends on people. If you like it, you can think that it is important. Like myself. If you think that it is important, then do not care much about it. Basically, that's all from me. I hope that this will be helpful for you guys to choose or to buy any books that you will love. And I hope this also will be helpful for those who just want to start reading as hobby, or maybe just to fill your leisure time, especially in this pandemic, right? So that's all for me. I'm Fatin Nabiha. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.